From dangerous miscalculations to hilarious yet disastrous tree felling attempts, today we're diving into the world of people who should never be allowed near a tree. Whether it's trees crashing onto cars, houses, or even the cutters themselves, this video is packed with jaw-dropping fails, near-death moments, and lessons in what not to do. If you think cutting trees is easy, think again. Some of these people clearly skipped Tree Cutting 101, and the results are as chaotic as they are entertaining. Stay tuned, laugh, and maybe even learn what not to do.
എന്താ ഇതൊക്കെ കണ്ടിട്ട് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് തോന്നിയത്?
In contrast to the above, this guy's playing with fire. No safety harness, no helmet, no protective goggles, and standing in an extremely precarious position. Thankfully, the height hasn't posed a serious threat to him yet. Oh, it seems like your chainsaw has reached its expiration date. Large trees uprooted after storms are one of the significant hazards left behind by natural disasters. Clearing them is extremely challenging due to their massive size and precarious positions. Workers must stay alert and maintain sharp observational skills. Oh my goodness, he's lucky it was just a light shove. That's the satisfying sound of a tree falling. Perfect.
Not at all, perfectly accurate.
Oh, the hand of disaster nearly touched my house. jumped out, watching this. Chainsaw plus no plan equals disaster waiting to happen. This guy's really bold and decisive, but maybe he should think it through first. Oh no, a surprising kiss for him. That was quite unexpected. It was like a massive explosion. The dry branches crashed into the wooden railing. A single wrong cut led to severe consequences. There's a fine line between boldness and recklessness. Just a little more precision, and it would have been a masterpiece. I guarantee you've never seen anything like this before.
Oh, yeah. Hell yeah. What?
It's funny to think about it, but it's not the end of the world. Funny, the family actually hired someone who was supposed to be an expert. Thankfully, no one was hurt, and we have an amazing community. Removing large dead trees in the forest is essential to create space for other trees to grow. These decaying giants also pose a hidden danger to hikers, as they can collapse unexpectedly at any time. If you don't know how to do it, don't try. Leave dangerous tasks to the professionals. And now they'll have to spend even more money fixing the power lines instead of the house. What a headache. People like this are the reason why insurance premiums in our tree care industry are so high. A fun game of tug of war, isn't it? Wow, an impressive moment captured. It's like a domino effect. Such excellent calculation and precision. Oh my goodness. This is a case that demands finesse and precision with every cut. The feeling of being suspended high above while doing it is nowhere near as easy as it looks.
skills.
Oh my God, no amount of money could make me do this. It takes courage and passion to be able to do it. Have you heard the story about a tall guy being charmed by a seductive girl and getting dumped? And that's how it is. Oh my God, that's so dangerous. It's a reminder to always keep a safe distance right after the tree falls. People often underestimate how heavy a tree can be. Watching 4 200-pound guys struggle with a few tons of wood always cracks me up. Exactly. Let it go if you feel it's dangerous. Everything can be replaced except for yourself. A realistic and challenging scenario. The task of cleaning up large logs after a massive tree has fallen on the roof of a house. A worker stands on the enormous tree trunk with a chainsaw in hand, cutting the tree into smaller pieces. This not only requires precision, but also perfect control. Never use a ladder to cut trees. It's always a recipe for unexpected accidents. It's so dangerous. My heart stopped and I prayed for him. The safety rope is supposed to protect, but it ended up posing a risk to him. Wow, all I can say is wow. My heart almost jumped out when I witnessed this. The luckiest guy of the day has been found.
Come on, baby. There it goes. Onto the house. Onto my house, guys.
Do you think the mistake was caused by the person cutting the tree or by the truck pushing it? That's so dangerous, isn't it? I prayed for him, and thankfully, nothing happened. This shows that teamwork can improve performance, but it can also lead to disaster if not coordinated properly. Cutting down an extra-large pine due to high temperatures during summer is really necessary. Bum, like an explosion, and it's gone.
This is my only warning. Terry, don't do it. Don't do it. Hey, yeah, let's do it. Terry! It's coming! It's coming!
Hilarious to think the tree thought they were going to haul it away with that little red pickup truck. We need someone to remove the power lines and utility poles to create a safe working area for him. Oh, I don't think it's a good idea for two people to handle this task together. It's really unsafe because their speeds don't match up at all. The sound of a chainsaw is so satisfying. It's like ASMR for the logging world. Head. Too dangerous, underestimating the power of the opponent was their big mistake. Luckily, no one was hurt, but this shows how quickly things can get out of control. The tree fell during the storm and is now lying on a steep hill. This is a dangerous situation because the tree's base wants to fall back. It's really smart to slide another log under the base before cutting. After the cut, a simple bump with a sled can separate the base from the tree. Well, if today's video proved anything, it's that not everyone should be trusted with a chainsaw. From misjudged angles to timber, fails that defied logic. We've witnessed some of the most chaotic tree-cutting disasters imaginable. These clips are funny, but they also highlight a serious reality. Tree cutting requires skill, knowledge, and safety precautions. A simple mistake can result in damaged property, personal injury, or worse. So, whether you're planning to trim your backyard or fell a massive oak, always know what you're doing. Or better yet, hire a professional. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, drop a comment on your favorite fail, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping moments. See you in the next one.